The AFSEM nano is a small atomic force microscope insert for your focused ion beam or scanning electron microscope system. It consists of a positioning stage, scanner, and self-sensing cantilevers to offer a range of different measurement capabilities. Its small size supports easy integration into most SEMs, allowing users to add AFM capabilities to their current systems. The self-sensing cantilevers allow for correlative analysis with SEM, FIB, EDX, and other in situ tools without interference. The AFSEM nano is coupled to the sample stage, allowing trouble-free stage tilting for FIB operation or viewing the proximity of the AFM tip to the surface. There are a range of cantilever types that provide an array of measurement modes. These measurements can be easily combined with existing SEM imaging capabilities to discover new correlated traits in samples. Easily add real 3D topography to your SEM data. Magnetic force measurements to combined SEM and AFM data. And even measure electrical properties of your AFM topography inside your SEM with nanometer resolution. Access the power of correlative microscopy with seamless integration of the AFSEM nano. Visit qdusa.com to learn more.